So this is a 3-part video. In part 1, which is this video, we're gonna go ahead and check out the speaker from W King. This is the X10 model. In part 2, separate video, link down in the description below, we're gonna check out the T9 model by the same company. And in part 3, we're gonna do a comparison of these two to find out which one is the true king. What's up guys, my name is Sean, welcome to my tech channel. If this is the first time you're stopping by and you like content like this, you might wanna hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification, and when you hit the bell icon, turn that to all, so that way you'll be notified for all my future videos. Full disclaimer, these speakers were sent to me for free and I will get to keep them. However, I'm not being paid to make this video, nor the company will get to see my opinion of these speakers before they go public. My goal is to drop all 3 videos at once, so that way you guys can click back and forth and check them all at once. We're gonna start with this bad boy right here in part 1. This is the X10 model. Let me read off some of the specs and features of this speaker that is important to know, and then we're gonna open it up and then do some sound tests. I think this is gonna be a very fast and probably loud video. It's a 70-watt speaker. It has 15,000 milliamp battery. You need a 30-watt charger brick in order to take advantage of its fast charge capability. You can charge this 15,000 milliamp battery in only 3.5 hours. It is IPX6, so it's water resistant. It has Bluetooth 5.0. It has 2 EQ modes, indoor and outdoor. We're gonna check it out to see what's the difference between the two. You can pair up to 2 speakers to use as a true wireless stereo set. You can use this as a power bank, and it plays anywhere from 80 hertz to 20,000 hertz. It has a removable strap and it weighs about 6.7 pounds. And this thing has 4 drivers, 2 70mm woofers and 2 31mm tweeters. The unboxing experience is very simple. You have an accessory box and you get the speaker itself. The accessory box, it gives you 2 cables, a 3.5mm auxiliary cable, and a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable with fast charge. It does not include a fast brick. I do have one that I do recommend. I'll put a link down in the description below. First things first, this thing, it feels that it's built like a tank. These straps are super strong, and this thing has a bit of a weight to it. Like I said, 6.7 pounds when I measured this. So at the top, you have your power button, your plus or minus that I think you can use to skip tracks, as well as use for audio. You have your play button and your EQ button, which you basically use this to change from an indoor mode to an outdoor mode. The straps are removable, and they have these kind of like gray matte finish to the hooks that kind of matches the black theme of the speaker. You have your subwoofers on the side. So I'm excited to see how these things will sound. In the back, you have all your ports. You have a USB Type-C. You can use this to charge the speaker. You have a TF input card. You can put music on it and then just put it on a TF card. You have USB Type-A. This is if you want to charge your phone or your tablet. So that's power out. You have your auxiliary port and then your reset port. It is recommended when you want to start, first go ahead, fully charge it. Also, when you first turn this on, it automatically gets into the pairing mode. And when it does not detect or connect anything within 10 minutes, it would automatically turn itself off. This thing can be on standby mode for hours and hours, but if you're gonna play this at 100% volume and blast this, it will drain the battery in, I think, 5 hours. If you play it at 50% volume, 50, it will last you 16 hours. And at 30% volume, you get 20 hours. So all the buttons at the top are illuminated. So if you're playing this outdoors and it's a little bit dim and dark, you can still see the buttons. I want to play a song from Artlist subscription I have, so I would not get a copyright claim.
Yo, Mark 9, they really don't think we can keep doing this. They don't think we can keep making hits about cameras. But I'm the cameraman. But I'm the cameraman.
This is at 50%.
Yeah, I started on a 50 mil lens. Now I'm about to bag 50 mil yen. I can shoot all day, I got stamina. Turtleneck on with my camera, yeah. Stay creamy, man, that's what they say. Shoes laced up and I came to play. Yeah, I'm first team, I'm a superstar. They call me cream, like a Georgia bar. Yeah, you have to face it, let's get back to basics. I'ma take the shot like it's a vaccination. I don't have the patience, I'ma shoot right now. Yeah, we undefeated, and you gon' lose right now. Like click, 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 swish. I can switch it up anytime like this. I'm a videographer and I'm on the verse. So when I shoot my shot, I don't miss. I'm gonna take the shot, take the shot. Take the shot. You know I'm gonna take the shot. Take the shot. Take the shot. Pull up and take the shot. Take the shot. Take the shot. You know I'm gonna take the shot. Take.
So this was at 50% volume. Real quick, the EQ button looks like the two modes. One of them would turn up the mids and lower the bass, and the other one would increase the bass and looks like keep the mids a little bit lower. So I personally like the bassier one. This was at 50%. I'm just gonna crank this up to 100%. I'm not gonna keep it up too loud and too long because of the neighbors and my family downstairs, but let's give it a shot.
Yo, Mark 9. They really don't think we can keep doing this. They don't think we can keep making hits about cameras. But I'm the cameraman. But I'm the cameraman. Stay creamy. Yeah, I started on a 50 mil lens. Now I'm about to bag 50 mil yen. I can shoot all day, I got stamina. Turtleneck on with my camera, yeah. Stay creamy, man, that's what they say. Shoes laced up and I came to play. Yeah, I'm first team, I'm a superstar. They call me cream, like a Georgia bar. Yeah, you have to face it, let's get back to basics. I'ma take the shot like it's a vaccination. I don't have the patience, I'm through right now. Yeah, we undefeated, and you gon' lose right now. Like click, 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 swish. I can switch it up anytime like this. I'm a videographer and I'm on the verse. So when I shoot my shot, I don't miss. I'm gonna take the shot, take the shot, take the shot. You know I'm gonna take the shot, take the shot, take the shot. Pull up and take the shot, take the shot, take the shot.
So it definitely sounds really clear. You definitely feel the bass. Like I said, the EQ mode, I'm not sure about the other mode. There's only one of them I personally liked. Real quick, I forgot to measure how loud the speaker gets. So let's check that out.
Don't read the signs, I'm so done with the lies, that's why I ain't got no time. I ain't got no time. I ain't got no time.
Ooh, my ear's ringing. So this thing got to 106.9. There you have it. So in person, you definitely feel the bass. It's not overwhelming. It definitely gets loud. It's not overwhelming. At 100% volume, the sound doesn't get distorted. So they have this on Amazon for $116. At the time I'm recording this, they have a 15% off coupon. So just under $100. So under $100 to get this quality and this sound, it ain't bad. Like I said, under $100, you have limited number of options. Once you get up to about $150, you start having more and more options at your disposal. But for this price, I really like this, especially because of how tough this thing is built. The super strong belt that you get that is absolutely unnecessary. So yeah, this is it. Let me know what you guys think. If you got any questions, drop a comment down below. I don't have any extra coupons. If I'm able to get one, I will put it down in the description below. Don't forget to check out part 2 and 3 for the T9 and the comparison between the two speakers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.